Hey guys, my name is Jenny Stranges. I'm from Toronto and I'm super excited to be selected as this month's Squadie of the Month. I have been doing Leansquad since January 2019, so I'm currently on phase 3. I'm about halfway through phase 3 and I'm down 10 pounds, a few pant sizes, and I've gained a ton of confidence and excitement about fitness and my future and my health as a result of joining the Leansquad. So when Phil told me that he had selected me as Squadie of the Month, quite honestly I was a little shocked. I'm a work in progress, aren't we all? But what I was excited about was that it gave me a platform to possibly connect with some people who have similar hesitations that I did when I was considering joining Leansquad before I actually did. So you know, I guess I really want to speak to the people who, you know, might be feeling the way I did, which was like a little helpless, hopeless about their fitness situation, really feeling stuck in a rut, wanting something to change. Just not knowing what to do about it, and then seeing Leansquad and humming and hawing over whether or not it was something they should try. If you need the help and support, there's nothing wrong with that. Like I'm not someone who goes to a gym and like necessarily knows what to do or knows how to get my all out of it. So joining Leansquad has been an amazing tool to help me get the most out of that experience in the gym. So quite honestly, I think joining Leansquad is one of the best things I've ever done for myself. I look at it as like an investment in myself and my health and my future. So I hope for someone who might be considering doing the 90-day plan or continuing with a new phase, you look at it that way too. The food is delicious and quite honestly pretty easy to make. There's so much variety, I don't get bored, but there are definitely my favorites that I keep cooking over and over again. I love to cook, and I was always that kind of person who liked to meal prep during the weekend for the week. I'm definitely someone who packs my lunches for work, so that part hasn't been a struggle for me, nothing new. It's just kind of exciting to have new recipes that are lean approved at my disposal. I will say for people who aren't for people who aren't so friendly with the kitchen, or if you feel like they don't have the time, some of Phil's recipes are as simple as like grabbing a rotisserie chicken from the grocery store, throwing some cauliflower rice in a pan, and heating up some vegetables. Anyone has time for that. So I think that it's a great option for someone who isn't so comfortable in the kitchen and might want to learn more, or who simply has no interest but wants to eat healthier and pack their own food. The recipes are fantastic. My workouts are super effective. B, I am striking good balance. It's like the 80-20 rule, and see that this is sustainable. Like no way would I sit here in front of a camera telling people about this program if this was like a chicken and broccoli every single day. That's not sustainable. This is a program where you're eating food, you're enjoying it, you're still able to live life, you're still able to go out for a drink with a friend. Leansquad is definitely about striking balance in your life and still being able to enjoy moments and delicious food. So the third thing I'll talk about, last thing, is definitely access to Phil. He has been such a champion of my Leansquad journey, my fitness journey. He's so incredibly positive, and I've found many a text or email in my inbox of him giving me a bit of a pep talk on days where I'm putting a lot of pressure on myself and feeling like I'm being impatient. He's been super patient with me and like truly such a champion of my goals. I think the fact that he's he's an athlete, his rugby background is a super significant element to the Leansquad. I feel like he's in my corner. Like I feel like we are a team, trying to get me towards the W. And also just like how weird with the beep bop boops and accessible and fun the program is. Like I love that Leansquad doesn't take itself too seriously, and for me the approachability is super important. I don't know everything there is to know about fitness. Sometimes I'll text him being like what does this mean, and there's always an answer. There's no ego about the program. So I guess all in all, what I'm really trying to say is for anyone out there who has fitness goals or maybe weight loss goals, and and you don't know what to do about them, and you've been considering the Lean Squad like me. I looked for months, honestly. I debated it, and I'm so glad that I joined. I'm feeling good. I'm feeling healthy. I feel really happy. I feel really excited. And I just, I hope you know you're worth the investment, and so is Lean Squad. So thanks for listening. Take care. Bye.